Hello friends, in the previous lecture we are to discussing about the haloform reaction of the aldehydes and ketones, and today's lecture we are to discussing about the aldol condensation reaction of the aldehydes and ketones. In the aldol condensation reaction means when aldehyde or ketones containing alpha hydrogen atom react with the dilute base or dilute acid like dilute NaOH, sodium carbonate, barium hydroxide, dilute HCl. They will be react with the aldehydes or ketones containing alpha hydrogen atom to give the product as a beta hydroxy aldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. This overall reaction is called as a aldol condensation reaction. When the simple definitions, when aldehyde or ketone, aldehydes or ketones containing alpha hydrogen atom react with dilute base or dilute acid like dilute NaOH, sodium carbonate, barium hydroxide, or dilute acid like dilute HCl. Aldehydes or ketones containing alpha hydrogen atom react with the dilute base or dilute acids like this base like dilute NaOH, dilute sodium carbonate, dilute barium hydroxide, dilute HCl to give beta hydroxy aldehyde or ketones is called as aldol condensation reaction. This first important is the what is meant by aldol condensation. Means aldol condensation is when the aldehyde or ketone containing alpha hydrogen atom react with the dilute base or dilute acid like dilute NaOH, dilute sodium carbonate, dilute barium hydroxide, dilute HCl to give the product as a beta hydroxy aldehyde or beta hydroxy ketones. Then this reaction is called as a aldol condensation reaction. Second important point is the formation of aldol is addition reaction. Formation of the aldol is called as a addition reaction. This beta hydroxy aldehyde, it is also called as a aldol, and beta hydroxy ketone is also called as a ketones, and this overall reaction is the formation of aldol is addition reactions. Third important point here, aldol form of aldehyde having alpha hydrogen undergoes subsequently elimination of water molecules on heating to give alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone. For example, in generally, three important points in the aldol condensation reaction. First one is the definition of aldol condensation reaction. When the aldehyde or ketone containing the alpha hydrogen atom react with the dilute base and dilute acid to give the product as a beta hydroxy aldehyde, it is called as a aldol, and beta hydroxy ketone, it is called as a ketone, and this overall reaction is called as a aldol condensation reactions. Second important point in the aldol condensation reaction is the formation of aldol is addition reactions. Means condensation reaction is addition reaction, aldol formation, the overall reaction is addition reaction. And third one important is the aldol form. As a product is aldol, beta hydroxy aldehyde, it is also called as a aldol. Aldol form of the undergoes the having aldol form of the aldehyde having the alpha hydrogen undergoes the subsequently elimination of the water molecules on the heating to give the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketones. Here it is the two step in the total overall aldol condensation reaction. In the first step, formation of the beta hydroxy aldehyde, it is also called as a aldol, or suppose that you have to use the ketone having the alpha hydrogen atom, then that product is called as a beta hydroxy ketones. They will be in short form ketol. The first product is the aldol or ketol, they will be formed, and this aldol and ketone, they will be undergoes the elimination reaction on the heatings and then gives the product like a alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketones. For example, suppose that CH3CHO acetaldehyde, 2 mole of acetaldehyde react with dilute NaOH, then gives the product CH3CH, this one the aldehyde group, this position is the alpha position, this one is the beta positions. In this way, this product is called as a beta hydroxy aldehyde, or it is also called as a aldol. This aldol product are subsequently goes to the elimination reaction. They will be warm. This product is the heat or warm, then give the elimination reactions. Elimination reaction. First step is the addition reactions. First step of the aldol formation is the by addition reaction. Second step is the elimination reaction. In this elimination reaction, in which this hydrogen and this hydroxyl, this electron density or this bond goes to here, and this OH molecule is the eliminated, and this OH hydroxyl is pick up this hydrogen, then overall is the water molecule is removed here, and then gives the product like this one is the alpha and this one is the beta. Overall name is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. This one is the Suppose that second one, here it is the gives the starting material is the acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde containing the alpha hydrogen atom is compulsory here. It is the aldehyde group and they will be attached to this methyl group, and this methyl group contains 3 alpha hydrogen atom. In the aldol condensation reaction, here it is the compulsory gives the alpha hydrogen atom. Suppose that does not observe the any alpha hydrogen atom in the starting material, then this type of the aldol condensation reaction is does not takes place by particular aldehyde or ketones. But here it is the acetaldehyde containing 3 hydrogens are the alpha hydrogens. In this way, this reaction is easily, this molecule are easily takes place for the aldol condensation reaction. Similar thing, suppose that second example, suppose that 2 mole of acetone, this one is the acetone, means ketone, react with dilute NaOH. This one is the addition product like aldol product CH3 . This one is the ketonic group. This position is the alpha position and this one is the beta position. This hydroxyl is beta position. In this way, they will be called as a beta hydroxy ketone. It is also called as a ketol. This one is the aldol. In this reaction, we have to use acetone or ketone. In this way, it is called as a ketol, and this ketol is also undergoes the elimination when the warm E2 elimination, water molecule is removed here. This bond shift here, this hydroxyl remove and this hydrogen is also removed, then gives overall water molecule, then product is CH3 . This one is the alpha beta unsaturated ketone. This one is the simple reaction. This is the self aldol condensation reactions. Here it is the simple reaction when the aldehyde or ketone containing this aldehyde containing alpha hydrogen atom, this ketone containing also alpha hydrogen atom, this side is the alpha 3 hydrogen atom, and after the carbonyl group, this side is the alpha 2 position of the alpha, both the position containing alpha hydrogen atom. In this way, they will be easily undergoes for the aldol condensation reaction. This overall reaction is called as a aldol condensation reactions. In the aldol condensation reactions, next topic will be here it is the cross aldol condensation reaction. Suppose that what is the particular meaning of the cross aldol condensation reaction? When the suppose that this example is the self aldol condensation reaction. In the self aldol condensation reaction, two similar aldehyde or two similar ketones are react to each other, then gives the aldol product or ketol product. Then this reaction is called as a self aldol condensation reaction. In the cross aldol condensation reaction, suppose that one molecule of the aldehyde and another molecule is the ketone. They will be react to each other. They will be, this reaction means different carbonyl compound of the aldehydes and ketones are react to each other, then gives the aldol or ketol product. Then overall reaction is called as a cross aldol condensation reaction. Next topic will be cross aldol condensation reaction. This one is the simple or self aldol condensation reactions. Next one is cross aldol condensation reaction. Some important points like first point, next one is the cross aldol condensation reaction. In the cross aldol condensation reaction, what is the particular meaning of self condensation and cross aldol condensation? First one, some important point of the cross aldol and self aldol condensation reaction. First point is the aldol condensation takes place between the two similar carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound means particularly aldehyde or ketones containing alpha hydrogen atom is called as a self aldol condensation reaction. Means aldol condensation reaction takes place in the two similar aldehydes or two similar ketones having the alpha hydrogen atom. Then this type of the aldol condensation reaction is called as a self aldol condensation reactions. Second important point is the related to the cross aldol condensation reactions. In the cross aldol condensation reaction, when the aldol condensation reaction takes place between the two different carbonyl compounds, aldehyde or ketones having the alpha hydrogen atoms, two different carbonyl compound is called as a cross aldol condensation reaction. Suppose that one molecule of the acetaldehyde and another molecule is the formaldehyde, both the aldehyde, but one molecule is the acetaldehyde, another molecule is the formaldehyde, then reaction takes place is called as a cross aldol condensation reaction. Suppose that another possibility, one molecule is the acetaldehyde and another molecule is the ketone molecules. Means one molecule is aldehyde molecules, another molecule is the ketone molecules. Then this type of the aldol condensation reaction is also called as a cross aldol condensation reaction. In the cross aldol condensation reaction, two different carbonyl compounds are used. In the two different carbonyl compound in which only one carbonyl compound containing alpha hydrogen atom, another carbonyl compound does not show any alpha hydrogen atom, then also there will be takes place the cross aldol condensation reaction. Third important point here, cross aldol condensation reaction takes place even through the one of the two carbonyl compound molecule does not contain alpha hydrogen atom. For example, suppose that two molecules of the aldehyde or ketones, one molecule contains in the alpha hydrogen atom but another molecule does not contain the alpha hydrogen atom, then they will be also takes place the undergoes the cross aldol condensation reaction, and this type of the reaction is called as a cross aldol condensation reaction. Here for example, suppose that acetaldehyde, this acetaldehyde molecule, this alpha hydrogen atom is contained, it is the one molecule. Another molecule like formaldehyde does not contain the alpha carbons and does not contain the alpha carbon, they will be does not contain the alpha hydrogen atoms. Second molecule like benzaldehyde is also this aldehyde group attached to the benzene ring, and that benzene ring is that point is does not present any alpha hydrogen atom. In this way, this type of the molecule is absent of alpha hydrogen atom, and this type of the molecule is also undergoes to cross aldol condensation reaction with the carbonyl group containing alpha hydrogen atom, like acetaldehyde or suppose that acetone. Here acetone is also contain the alpha hydrogen atom. Acetone react with the formaldehyde, then this overall reaction is called as a cross aldol reaction. Suppose that acetaldehyde react with the benzaldehyde, then this reaction is also called as a cross aldol condensation reaction. Fourth important point here, ketone can also use as a one of the component in cross aldol condensation reaction. Suppose that one molecule is the aldehyde and another molecule is the ketone, then this type of the reaction is called as a cross aldol condensation reaction. Suppose that for example acetaldehyde and propanol, means propanaldehydes and acetaldehyde react to each others. This acetaldehyde is one molecule and another molecule of the cross aldol condensation reaction is the propanaldehyde. Both the contain alpha hydrogen atom, and they will be cross molecule, difference molecule, acetaldehyde and propanoldehyde. Both are the aldehyde, but both the aldehydes are different. They will be undergoes the aldol condensation reaction, and this overall reaction is the cross aldol condensation reaction. In this type of the cross aldol condensation reaction gives the mixture of four product. Two product are self aldol condensation and two product are the cross aldol condensation. Their overall four products are used by acetaldehyde and propanoldehyde react to each other by through the aldol condensation reaction gives the four product. The first product, like suppose that CH3 CHO, this one is the acetaldehyde. Two molecules of the acetaldehyde react with diluted barium hydroxide. It is also diluted base, then gives this one is the alpha positions, sorry, this one is the alpha, this one is the alpha and this one is the beta position. In this way it is called as a beta hydroxy aldehyde, or it is also called as a aldol. This aldol product easily goes to elimination reactions, E2 eliminations. After the some heating or some warm of this compound, then gives the CH3 CHO. This one is called as a alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, or it is also called as a IUPAC name is, suppose that 1 2 3 4 but 2 double bond in the 2 position, and overall is the but 2 in al. This is the name of first product. Remaining 3 is the also product. Overall is the 4 product. 4 in which the first product is the but 2 in all is the first product. Remaining 3 products are like this. Suppose that CH3 CH2 CHO propanol, two molecules of the propanol react with dilute barium hydroxide, then gives This one is the beta hydroxy product, alpha position, beta position. This one is the beta hydroxy aldehydes. This one is also called as a aldol product, and this aldol product easily give to elimination, means E2 elimination after the some heating, then gives the product like this one is the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. The overall name is, suppose that numbering 2-methyl pentoenal 1 to 1, suppose that 1 2 3 4 5. 2 position is the methyl group, overall number of carbon is 5, in this way here it is the pent. 2 position is the double bond, in this 2 in, and overall is the al. This is the second important product for the, this one is the second product. 2 product for the self aldol condensation, and remaining 2 are the cross aldol condensation reaction. Cross aldol condensation reaction. Suppose that cross aldol condensation reaction, CH3 CHO means acetaldehyde and propanaldehyde, CH3 CH2 CHO, they will be react to each other. Suppose that barium hydroxide, diluted barium hydroxide, to give the product like this one is the alpha and beta, 1 2 3 4, beta hydroxy aldehyde means aldol product. This one is the cross aldol product. This one is the cross aldol product, because the one molecule of the acetaldehyde and remaining molecule is the propanal, means the two different aldehyde react to each other. In this way product is called as a cross aldol product, and after the heating the E2 elimination they will be takes place. This molecules, water molecules is removed here, then gives the product CH3 CH double bond CH3 CHO. After the numbering 1 2 3 4, overall is the alpha and beta unsaturated aldehyde, and the particular name is the 2-methyl 2-methyl. Overall is the 4 carbon, 1 2 3 4 carbons means but. 2 position is the double bond, in this way but in al. This is the third important product. Third one is the cross aldol condensation product, and fourth one is, suppose that CH3 CH2 CHO plus CH3 CHO. This one is the propanol, and this one is the acetaldehyde. React with dilute barium hydroxide, then gives CH3 CH2 this one is the another product like alpha position. This one is the beta position. In this way it is called as a beta hydroxyaldehyde, and this beta hydroxy product goes to E2 elimination after the heating. Then water molecule is removed here. This bond shift here, this bond is break. OH molecule and hydrogen molecule, they will be combined and give the water molecules. And then product is this CH3 CH2 CH this one is the product. Alpha position, beta positions, alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, but particular name is 1 2 3 4 5. Here it is the 5 means pent 2 in al. This one is the fifth important product in the cross aldol condensation reaction. 2 products, self aldol condensation reaction 2 product, and overall is the 4 product is the mixture of 4 product is obtained after the reaction of acetaldehyde and propanol. And the remaining topics are, we are to discussing about the next lecture. Remaining topics is the Cannizzaro reaction. They will be discussing about the next lecture. Goodbye.